children, welcome back to e-learning classes of PN Amarsi High School. Hope you all are safe. So children, let's begin our new poem number 6, Mystery of the Talking Fan. The poem is written by Maud Rubin. I start the recitation of the poem. Let me give you some idea about the poet. The poetess of this poem is Maud Rubin. She was a poet with over 100 published poems and 42 state and national awards to her name. She is the author of a book of poems titled Leaves of Laurel. The poem beautifully captures the moment of the much familiar and mundane objects around us, which is today's time a very essential part of our existence. Let's read the poem. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? Is the fan quiet or noisy? If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem which you are going to read. Mystery of the talking fan. First of all, what is the meaning of mystery? Mystery means something which is not known, something which is not explored. Really very creative and imaginative poem written by Maud Rubin. In the name itself, it is talking fan. Children, does a fan talk? Because poetess is really very imaginative. Feels that fan is talking to her. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little rolling motor. All the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. So children, here the poem discusses the movement of a ceiling fan which creates a lot of noise while moving. The poet discusses the sound made by the ceiling fan comparing to the human chatter. Though unknown and incomprehensible, he further adds that it is not fruitful either trying to understand the sound of the fan. One day, somebody oiled the noisy fan with an understanding that the engine needs servicing. The smoothness of its movement does not satisfy the craving of a curious mind. So, children, in this poem, there are few new words for you. For example, chatter. Chatter is talk informally about unimportant matter. Next is whirling. Whirling means rapid round and round movement. Here we know that fan doesn't talk or does not chatter, but this fan is compared to a person. So this thing tells us that personification is used in this poem. At the end, the running of the fan is compared to the smooth running of water. So children, you learn the lines of the poem as well as the name of the poet. The poet is Maud Rubin. As I complete the explanation of the poem here, I'll send you the question answers through the PDF. Till then, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.